Assalamualaikum everyone, today's car is a Toyota Corolla Altis 1.8cc, VVT-i engine, year off the car 2012, how to change the CVT fluid of this car and how to install CVT fluid. How to check CVT fluid level. Since there is no dipstick to check the CVT transmission fluid level of this car. So please watch the full video. Warm greetings and congratulations from this channel SCS Automotive. Thank you. The CVT fluid needs to be replaced completely, so first unscrew the drain bolt. To open the drain bolt screw, you need to use a 6mm Allen key. Now I will remove the drain bolt with the Allen key to remove the CVT transmission. Remember that opening the drain bolt screw does not completely drain the CVT fluid. To completely remove the CVT, first unscrew the drain bolt and then remove the PVC hex bolt screw inside the drain. Should I use a 6mm Allen key wrench to unscrew the hex bolt? Now I will unscrew the hex bolt and take it out. Look at the transmission fluid coming out after opening the hex bolt screw. When changing the CVT transmission fluid, you must first open the drain bolt and hex bolt screw. This is a PVC hex bolt screw. The hex bolt is used to check the CVT fluid level. Now I will unscrew the fill bolt screw. I will need to use a 24mm size spanner to unscrew the fill bolt screw. The fill bolt screw needs to be unscrewed because the fill bolt screw is used to drain and install new CVT fluid. Look, the CVT fluid has been drained, but it's not draining anymore. So we'll install the hex bolt screw. Since the hex bolt screw is made of PVC, do not tighten it too much while installing it. If you tighten it too much, its thread will be damaged. Therefore, it should be tightened lightly. The hex bolt screw installation is complete. Now I will install the CVT fluid without installing the drain bolt screw. Use a funnel to refuel and attach a long pipe so that you can easily install the fluid. Now I will install the CVT transmission fluid, and when the fluid comes out through the transmission oil pan drain, I will stop installing the fluid. When the fluid is full, the oil will come out through the oil pan drain. Look, the CVT transmission fluid is coming out through the drain in the oil pan. Now I'm going to screw in the drain bolt so that the fluid doesn't leak out. I screwed the drain bolt in and closed it. Now I will go inside the car to check the CVT transmission fluid level and start the car engine. I entered the car, first turned the ignition key switch to the on position, waited a few seconds, then started the engine. After starting the car engine, the engine has warmed up. Change the gear shift every 5 seconds, for example, from PRND to N position. With the engine running and the gear shift in the N position, I will now go outside the car and check the CVT fluid level. To check the fluid level, unscrew the drain bolt and take it out. If the CVT transmission fluid does not come out after unscrewing the drain bolt, install more CVT fluid until fluid comes out through the drain. I installed CVT fluid. Look, now the fluid is coming out through the drain. Now I stopped installing fluid. The CVT transmission fluid level is full, so the CVT fluid is coming out through the drain. Now I will tighten the drain bolt screw well so that the CVT fluid does not leak through the drain. Having completed the installation of the drain bolt screw, I will now install the fill bolt screw, tightening it using a 24mm spanner. Everything has been completed, inshallah. If you just change the CVT fluid of this car, Toyota Corolla Altis, you will need 3.50 to 4 liters of CVT fluid. If you have any problems understanding anything after watching the video, please comment and let me know. I will try to explain as much as possible in this short video of mine.